particle of mass 8 kilograms is initially at 4,2 and has a velocity of 2 minus 3. A force acts on the particle, and after 4 seconds it's at the point 6 minus 1. Find the force. Now, in order to calculate a force, we need to know its mass, which we know is 8 kilograms, but we'll also need to find the acceleration. So if we draw a diagram of the particle, the particle originally is at 4,2, which is there. Okay, and it represents its vector. Okay, and then 4 seconds later, it will be here at 6 minus 1. Okay, this vector here will represent the displacement, and this is the origin. So, to find this vector, P dash, which we're going to call the displacement, P dash is the same as going PO plus OP dashed. So it's going to be minus 4 minus 2, so you go against the this one, and then you go with this one, 6 minus 1, which is going to give you 2 minus 3. Right, so in order to calculate the force, as already said, we need to find the acceleration. So we have, as vectors, we have the displacement, which is 2 minus 3. The initial velocity is also 2 minus 3. The time is equal to 4, that's a scalar quantity, and we need to find the acceleration. So writing that out again, and now using S is equal to ut plus a half at squared in order to calculate A, we have 2 minus 3 is equal to the time, 4 times 2 minus 3, which is the initial velocity, plus a half times the acceleration, what we need to find, times the time squared. Okay, so that's going to give me 2 minus 3 is equal to 812 multiplied by 4 plus 8a, that's 16 divided by 2. And now subtracting this vector, we're going to get minus 6, and then minus 3 plus 12 will give 9. Is equal to 8a. That will give the acceleration as minus 0.75 divided by 8, each thing 1.125. Right, in order to calculate the force, we use F is equal to ma. So that's going to be 8 times minus 0.75, 1.125. So the force will be minus 6.9. That's what we're asked to find. That's given the force as a vector quantity. If we wanted to find the size of the force, then we'd have to find the magnitude. So the magnitude of F will be minus 6 squared plus 9 squared. Take the square root of that, which is approximately 10.8 newtons. So this has been a video to show you how to calculate the force as a vector quantity given some quantities in vector form. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.